Well, this is G12 Math 2024 paper 1 GCE, specifically question 17, which reads the functions f and g are defined by f of x being equal to 3x minus 4 and g of x being equal to x plus 1 over 3. Find f inverse of x. Okay, well, this is our solution. So for part A, they want us to find the inverse of this function, which is f x being equal to 3x minus 4. How do we find the function? Well, we start by replacing this with y, which will be equal to 3x minus 4. Then from there we make x the subject of the formula. Okay, so we are therefore going to have y. So we want x to remain alone, so this comes the other side, so it will be plus 4 being equal to 3x. Okay, we are going to say over 3 over 3. This goes right, so x will be equal to everything here, so you can even write it as x will be equal to y plus 4 over 3. Then we conclude, therefore f inverse of x will be equal to this part, right? Then when concluding, where there is y, we replace with x. So where there is y there, we're going to put x, it will be x plus 4 over 3. So this becomes our solution for part A. Well, let's check out part B. Okay, so for part B, they want us to find g f of x. How do we handle such a problem? Well, the first thing that appears is g, so we are going to get the function for g. Okay, so this will therefore be equal to the function for g. We have x there, so where there is x, we are not going to put anything, then anything else remains as it is. Okay, so this is the function of g. Okay, but where there is x, we skip that part, right, and replace it with what? With this function, right, which is the f of x in this case. So f of x is 3x minus 4, so we're going to put 3x minus 4 here. Okay, so we are going to have 3x minus 4 plus 1 over 3. Therefore, we're going to have 3x. Different signs we add, we subtract, and maintain the sign from the bigger number. So it will be 4 minus 1, that's 3. Okay, what's the sign of the bigger number? That's negative. All right, then over 3. So this thing can also be written as 3x over 3 minus 3 over 3. Okay, so 3 into 3, that's 1. 1 multiplied by x to be x. This will give us this. Okay, so this becomes our gf of x. Okay, yes. What about for part C? For part C, they want us to find gf of negative 3. Well, how do we solve such a problem? We know that our gf of x is this. Okay, so we know that our gf of x is equal to x minus 1. Okay, therefore our g f of negative 3 will be equal to, where there is x, we are going to replace with negative 3, right? Yes. So where there is x, I'm going to replace with negative 3. So therefore it will be negative 3 minus 1. Okay. Yeah. So negative 3 minus 1. So this will give us negative 4. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.